Good morning, namaste, welcome to another vlog act. Yes, yes, it's around 11:30. What just happened? Oh, there are a lot of गांजीर मुसा खूब मगे हांगा भितर हय कितें घरटे करता दिसता खंय ते लागीं स्प्रे आय विल डू इट मागीर पॅक करून आतां न्ही these are the things they come. These are all honeybees. They're small honeybees over here, which is just roaming around. Oh, they are very scary. One sting and you'll get. Oh, Ira! Ishans? Yeah, I'm coming. I have to go on top to cut Ishan's nail. Can you come down off the motor? Since we all three were outside doing gardening and they're still doing gardening, here Aarti is cooking on her own alone. Let us see what is she making today. Aarti, what are you making today? Prawns biryani and that's it. Okay. Ira. Huh? Ah, okay. Be careful. Bye. What is it? Evening time. The little guy is right on the floor over here playing around. Ira is over here watching her Tom and Jerry. I was thinking to order Ira something, but I have cancelled it because I'm making Maggi so we can eat because there's a lot of food. I don't need to waste food. A cup of coffee. Let me have that and let's make something nice. It's evening time. Was watching football match, and remember some days back somebody just lost something like the chain. We could while washing down hear something. I had to call my mom, ordered some toolkit because the toolkits are not there right over here. And right now let us see actually if we can find or not. And the one person is here. Kulja Silsem. What we thought that could be there inside was not there. I end up opening entire washing machine and it took 1 hour to open and close. It was some other issue and right now Ishan is crying. Let me just see. Aarti is eating food late. Damn, right now Aarti just took Ishan on top. Could not watch the football match. Super tired with that washing machine thing. Because it's late night. It's time to sleep. Anyways, guys, you have a nice day. Just want to say good night and